to show you all of our animals, so let's go. Here are Lily's animals first. Here is Lily's fox. Here is Lily's bunny. Here is Lily's penguin. Here is Lily's eagle. Here is Lily's wolf that she is going to change. Here is Lily's seal. Here is Lily's Arctic fox. Wolf. Here is Lily's dolphin. Here is Lily's tiger, deer, horse, and snow leopard. Here is Lily's other Arctic wolf, monkey, shark, and octopus. Here are Lily's panda, elephant, turtle, and koala. Last but not least, Lily's crocodile and her raccoon. Here is Evelyn's Arctic fox, wolf, and her wolf that is pretending she is evil, and her bunny. Here is Evelyn's fox, seal, eagle, and cheetah. Here is Evelyn's dolphin, tiger, deer, and alligator. Here is Evelyn's elephant, monkey, and her other Arctic fox that she is pretending is a dog, and her horse. Here is Evelyn's shark, Arctic fox, koala, and fox. Here is Evelyn's eagle, cheetah, raccoon, and penguin. Last but not least, here is her panda, her octopus, and her turtle. Thanks for watching. Bye!